Hello student, today we are talking about Baumol theory. What is Baumol theory? We know about Baumol theory. Yeah, we can say the other name is Baumol theory is sales maximization and profit maximization. For sales maximization, Baumol use the Baumol keeping low price of the product, so increasing the output and get more revenue. The aim of Baumol is sales maximization, not a profit maximization. For sales maximization, he is using one method which we know about, the advertisement. So by the advertisement, people know about the product and demanding more product, so he produce more output and get a more sale. Baumol theory is considered the oligopoly market, and all the characteristics of oligopoly market is considered in this theory, like small few buyers we can say, and no entry or barrier entry of new firms, advertisement, making cartel, everything is under oligopoly market is considered in Baumol theory. Here we discuss about the assumption of Baumol theory. First is single time period. He is not telling about the short term or a long term period. He is about only 1 or 2 years. He is the goal of Baumol theory is sales maximization. For sales maximization, he is keeping low price of the product, and sales maximization for he adopt advertisement method. For advertisement, he gain more sales and maximum revenue. And the other assumption is this theory is minimum profit constant determination. Why we get the minimum profit determination? Because if a firm want to exist in the market, so that time he have a minimum profit, otherwise he goes to the shutdown. And the other thing is the fulfill all the requirements of shareholders and bankers, so he keep the minimum profit. Here we discuss about Baumol theory by a diagram. This is O axis, this is Y axis. There is output in O axis and revenue and profit, revenue and cost in OY axis. What is TR? TR means total revenue curve. This is TC, TC means total cost curve. What is TP? TP means total profit curve. And one more thing is PP line show the minimum profit line, which is mandatory to touch in Baumol theory. Minimum profit line. We can see here OQ, OQ1, OQ2 and OQ3 represent the output, and R and S, S1, S2, S3 represent are our sales. Here we can see when a producer produce OQ output, he get a minimum profit. This one is L. L is touch the minimum profit. It is fulfill the assumption of Baumol theory, but the sales is very low. So when he from the minimum profit he invests some money for the advertisement and get more output OQ1 and sales is S1 and the maximum profit is M, which is above than minimum line, and again he invests advertisement and get more output and sales maximization. But in this condition E and this is K. E is the equilibrium point where the maximum profit is considered. Yeah, we can get according to the Baumol theory, and output and sales is maximum S2. But if we produce OQ3, in OQ3 output is lesser than previous and sales is maximization, but but total profit is not touch the minimum profit. So producer not produce OQ3, he is produce OQ2. So here the brief story of Baumol theory. I think you can understand about this theory. Thank you.